So, what we learned is the easy way to play, the right way to play, is to log in, play your games, play with your squad, build up your coins by playing games. So you're going to play games, squad battle. You're going to go, next squad battle. Is it a good team? All right, it's not that good a team. So you can basically see from the team, 50 rated players, 60 rated players, 70 and 80. So not a very good team, right? So what I do on squad battles, I accept, and then I choose the different levels. And you get more coins per match wins, right? So I'm going to pick, I'll play this team on world class level. I'll put my team up against it. I'll play it. And we'll go through and win coins, right? So when you win coins, you can buy packs with them. When you open packs, you get players. You can use your players in these squad battles, these squad builder challenges, which gets you more packs, which you hopefully, when you get the packs, you do better. You've got these objectives, which again get you packs. So the game is made to be played, isn't it? It's made to be played to win coins, to open packs. Now we know, modern world, people are not going to play it that way. There's just no way people are playing to open packs, to get 7,500 coins to open packs, when there's an option to buy points, to buy packs. For £70, you can have 12,000 coins, and you can open, loads of packs, right? So we're going to talk about in the next chapter, in the next lesson, making sure that your credit card details are not on this account, because there is too much pressure for any kid not to go to the store and buy FIFA points. I don't care who they are. When you're playing against your mates online and you keep getting beat because they've got better teams than you, they've only got to have slightly better teams than you, and it is a harder game to play. Even if you're quality at this game, if somebody's got a faster player, a more skillful player, and two or three of them, you're going to get beat every single time you play. So we're going to talk about, yes, that's the right way of playing, but the darker way is to pay your money, and I'll show you some other ways people will pay to get better teams.